Hello guys. I'm here again with an update that will help you to make money this 2025. Just serious people to make money 2025. There are people that are very, very unserious. Even if you show them the whole heaven, they will not still make it. Even if you make them the president of a country, they will not still make it. So right now, let's go straight to the point. This is my balance. This is my balance. We all know schbet.com, a gaming platform where you play games and make money for yourself. Here, you don't make small money, make big amount of money, sure money, 100% legit. So what will you do? Once you register on this platform, hchbet.com, I will also drop my link. You can use my link to register. Once you register on this platform, all you have to do is just to buy a robot app that we are using to generate this kind of amount of money. That's the only thing I'm going to cost you money. Then, if you contact me on the number on your screen, I'm going to drop the link where you can get this app, this robot app that will help you. AI is taking over the whole world right now. So AI is going to help you to play this game and you will not lose your money and your capital. So all you have to do is just to create account, fund it 2,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 naira. That's all. Once you do that, message me on the number on your screen on WhatsApp or call me on phone. Then I'll be able to guide you on how to start making money with this AI robot app. So guys, this is 100% legit. This money you can withdraw it to your bank account, no delay. Sharp, sharp, you get your money. So this is not something that you're going to delay or say maybe days, 3 days, or 24 hours before you can receive your money. Instantly, you receive your money. So these are games you can play with that AI robot app you will get. And you may be asking how much. This app costs 26,500. 26,500. 26,500. You get this app for yourself. Once you get it, you're good to go. So these are games you can play and make money for yourself. So guys, that is it. So let me take you guys to my withdrawal dashboard. Now you click on withdraw. See withdrawal here. You click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, this is the balance here. Let me refresh it. As you can see. Now this is my bank account. I have already put to withdraw the money. So all you have to do is just to put the money and withdraw the money. Simple. That's how to do it. Simple. And you make your money. You make your money for yourself. So guys, if you're interested to make money, it's not by force. Don't come to my DM telling me it's by force. Don't come to my DM to insult yourself or tell me it's not working. So you must try something before you conclude it's not working. This is 100% legit. You can search for it, hchbet.com, or any other betting platform like this. You can use the robot app on it. So get this AI robot app. That's all. Then hit me on the number on your screen. Chat me on WhatsApp. I will paste the link for you to get it. Simple.